belong to TPM version 1.2. If you have your PC, laptop or desktop manufacturer TPM 2.0 version, then you can easily play and Vanguard will work with it. So here we have to solve this problem for the Vanguard issue, Vanguard 1067. So we have to check what is our current TPM version in our PC. So every time it will close. Now I'll show how to check. So here is the checking version. So we press windows R and we write here tpm.msc and press OK. Here you can check your current TPM version 1.2. You see this one is 1.2. That's why my league client always restarted and I cannot update or play my game. Here is another option. You can check the TPM version. You just right click on your this PC, go to manage, then device manager. Here the security device, you can see your trusted module version 1.2. So here I show you how to update your TPM version 1.2 to 2.0. Also this TPM version, if you upgrade in 2.0, you can easily upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 through direct software update. Here you can check the software update for Windows 10. It will upgrade to Windows 11 if you have TPM 2.0. So I will show you two options. One is built-in, how you can do without any software making upgrade 1.2 to 2.0 version. So from this menu you just right click and press update driver. So then browse my computer for drivers. Here you check this one, let me pick from the list, and you uncheck this option. After that you see here is 4 options. This one is manufacturer version. We will go the standard version, and in the standard version on the right checkbox you see trusted platform version module 2.0. We just play next and then press yes. It will show you Windows has successfully updated your drivers. So after that this one will close and restart your computer. If you restart your computer, it will change to TPM version 2.0 if built-in software capable to upgrade this one. And we have another option. That one is I'll show you. That one will 100% work. So if this we put next, so this one is 1.2 we put here. So we go another option. For this another option, we go our browser and search upgrade HP TPM 1.2 to 2.0. We go here, HP community, and then we go configure utility Windows 10 anniversary. This option you will go which computer or desktop or laptop you have, Asus, Acer, Dell, Lenovo. All these manufacturer company have their own website about upgrade your TPM version. Then you will check your version here. Here I download this one, HP Trusted Platform Module Utility, this file for my PC. already it is downloaded. And after this one downloaded, we open it and just install this one. Install this one. Okay, then this one we install. You check after installation this software, go to your system drive. So I go to my system drive, local disk C, and here you can see SW setup a folder, and you can check here SP 81900. This software I just installed now, and these things you can have already in your Windows installation. I think maybe one or two can be absent. So I go inside this one and you check there is software here. I just copy these two software into the firmware. Already firmware have here, so no need to copy. So I just right click this one and run as administrator. This firmware image cannot be used to upgrade the current tpm firmware. We try again. Okay. We go another one to upgrade this one. So here you have to check this one tpm 2.0, which one have 7.63, this one tpm 2.0 have. So we open this one, we put the password 1234 1234 and then OK, and overwrite the previous one. Then it will come, it will take a few minutes. Okay, here you see upgrade specific version 2.0. It will come. My previous version was 1.2 6.43. Now it will upgrade 2.3. Then I press OK and press next. So here my tpm version successfully upgraded. Now I will restart this PC. Okay, now my tpm already I didn't restart, just I press the play for real client and check if it works before I restart. Okay, so even now it's not working, so I restart for my tpm upgrade. Here you check, I'm restarting. So after restarting, tpm will ask 2 times acceptance. So I press F1 for the first time. It will only for adjust your tpm version. That's why you need to press accept, and this is the second time I press the F1. For accept. Now you check your TPM version is upgrading to 2.0. After this one upgrade, you can easily upgrade your Windows from Windows 10 to Windows 11 easily by updating your Windows from settings. So my TPM 2.0 is successfully upgraded. I just press OK. Now your computer will restart. This is so easiest way for the Vanguard 1067 error solve. Without any data loss of C drive, you can upgrade your TPM. No, your PC software loss will happen. So my PC already open. I just giving my password. So Vanguard error 1067 is belongs to 1067 was belong to TPM version 2.0. So I just rechecking my TPM version windows R and write here tpm.msc and then press OK. So here we will check the TPM version. Is it come the 1.2 version also we have another way to check. Right button on this PC, then go manage. So you are watching my game is updating now. Already it is 1%, and you can check it is downloading the software without crashing, and after the full update the game you can easily play. This is how you escape or solve the Vanguard 1067 error and play your League client with the Vanguard. My game is already 3% downloading, and you can check without this crashing. I easily check all the client activities. Now my Vanguard error is solved. This is so amazing for those people who have a lower version of Windows, or those who have low specification of PC. Actually TPM version 1.2, those who have, they can easily use this trick to solve their Vanguard error. So thank you guys for checking this video, and hope so you will share this for other people who playing or facing Vanguard error problem. So thank you everyone.